Got a rapidly rotating wall cloud just to the northwest of Harrison. Rapid rotational velocity is evident in the cloud matter here. You can see the left to right, and this is appearing to produce a tornado very shortly. We've got the Dominator in place. Jordan's about to launch the bird to get a little closer view. Another wall cloud further to right. That's happening. Look at it. Right at the base, guys. It's happening. We're about to get a tornado, baby. That is turning due right, isn't it?
That's going to do it right there.
Look at that new wall cloud, guys. Old wall cloud is right here, and it's cycled. Now we have a new rotating wall cloud.